Students, so welcome to the session 18. Come to the next column. A is 2, 3, 1 minus 4. B, we need to prove that or verify that. AB whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. Now to get the LHS, first find AB matrix. 2, 3, 1 minus 4 into 1 minus 2 minus 1, 3. Now multiply these two matrices. First of which, first column. 2 minus 3. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 3 into 3, 9. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 4 into minus 1, plus 4. Now, second one with second column. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12. From this, what is AB matrix? Minus 1, 5, 5, minus 14. This is clearly AB matrix. Now, find det of this AB matrix. Det of AB. Det of minus 1, 5, 5, minus 14. Minus 1 into minus 14, that is plus 14 minus 5 5s are 25. So, total how much we get? Minus 11. Next, find adjoint of AB. For 2 by 2 matrix, already said how to find adjoint A. Interchanging these two elements, change the sign for these remaining two elements. So, a simple manner we can find, interchange these two elements. Minus 14, minus 1. Change only sign for these two elements. Minus 5, minus 5. Now, from this, we can find out easily LHS. What is LHS? AB whole inverse. Formula like A inverse only. 1 by that AB into adjoint of AB. 1 by that AB. 1 by that AB, how much we got? Minus 11 into adjoint A matrix. What adjoint A? Minus 14, minus 5, minus 5, minus 1. You want me this minus, you can multiply inside. Multiply inside, what do you get? Just minus multiply means here 1 by 11. Minus multiply 14, 5, 5, 1. This is LHS part. Coming to RHS. For RHS, what is the required matrices? We need A inverse and B inverse also. For A inverse, first find det A value. That A is equal to 0, determine A inverse does not find. Not equal to 0, we can find out. That A means value what we get 2 into minus 4. Minus 8, minus 3. It is minus 11. Next I am writing adjoint A matrix. Adjoint A. How to find adjoint of 2 by 2? Interchange diagonal elements. Minus 4, 2. Change sign for this 2. Minus 3, minus 1. Next. Parallelly, I will find out that B also. That B, what will get? 1 into 3. 3 minus 1 into minus 2. It's plus clearly. 3 minus 2 what? 1. Next, find out adjoint B matrix. Adjoint B means interchange diagonal elements in adjoint. 3, 1. Change sign for minus 2, minus 1. Here 2, 1 will get. Here I am writing A inverse. What is A inverse formula? 1 by that A into adjoint A. So 1 by that A is minus 11. Into adjoint A matrix what? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, 2. Next I am writing B inverse. What is the formula? 1 by that B into adjoint B. 1 by that B. That B is clearly 1. So 1 by 1, 1 only. Only adjoint we got 3, 2, 1, 1. Now we got A inverse and B inverse. What is the RHS is there? B inverse into A inverse. What is the B inverse? 3, 2, 1, 1. Into A inverse is what? 1 by minus 11 into minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, 2. 1 by minus 11 I am taking common. Minus 1 by 11. Multiply these two matrices. What? First one with first column. 3 into minus 4, minus 12. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Next, first one with second column. 3 into minus 3, minus 9. 2 into 2, 4. Next, second one with first column. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Next, 1 into minus 3, minus 3. 1 into 2, plus 2. Now we have minus 1 by 11 into minus 14, minus 5, minus 5, minus 1. If you multiply minus inside, finally you will get 1 by 11 into plus 14 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1. This is clearly LHS and RHS both are same only, you can check. So both are equal. That's why finally you can write here AB whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. Everyone, and this same model conclusion homework. Try. Same model homework. Let A equal to 3725, B equal to 6879. Verify that AB whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse. Like same model only previous question. Here try this question. It's coming to fourth one. What is the fourth question? Show that the matrix A equal to 2 3 1 2 satisfies the equation A square minus 4A plus I is equal to 0 matrix. Using this equation, find A inverse. This is the question. First we need to check this A matrix adds to this equation or not. Further, just we need to find A square. Substituting all the parameters in this, we need to get 0 matrix. And finally, by using this equation, from this equation we need to find A inverse, not by using formula. Now come to the solution. To check that equation, first we need to find A square. How to find A square? A into A. 2312 into 2312. Multiply this, what will you get? 2 into 2, 4, plus 3 into 1, 3. 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. 1 2s are 2, plus 2 1s are 2. Next, second bracket, second column. 1 into 3, 3, 2 2s are 4. Now A square matrix what? 7, 12, 4, 7. Now take that equation. What is the equation is there? A square minus 4A plus I. A square matrix what? 7, 12, 4, 7. Minus 4 into what is the A matrix? 2, 3, 1, 2. I is the identity matrix of order 2 only. Second order identity matrix of 1, 0, 0, 1. Now, further, you can simplify this. How to simplify? 7, 12. And you can add these two matrices also easily. How to add these two matrices? 7 plus 1, 8. 12 plus 0, 12 only. 4 plus 0, 4. 7 plus 1, 8. Here minus 4 multiply inside. 8, 12, 4, 8. And here both are same matrix, but difference is there. What matrix will get? Null matrix will get. Now by using that equation, we need to find the A inverse. Not by using the formula already we know 1 by delta into adjoining. Don't use that formula. From this equation, we need to find the A inverse matrix. Take that equation. What equation? A square minus 4A plus I equal to 0 matrix. Now for this, pre-multiply with A inverse. A inverse into A square minus 4A plus I equal to A inverse null matrix way, null matrix only. Here A inverse into A square. A square I can write A into A. Here minus 4 constant common. A inverse into A plus A inverse into I equal to null matrix. How do we know statement? A into A inverse. A inverse into A equal to I matrix. I into A. Minus 4 into A inverse into A is what? I. A inverse into I. A into I, A only. any matrix into I, that matrix only will come. So A inverse equal to null matrix. I into A what? A minus 4I plus A inverse equal to null matrix. We need A inverse now. That's why A and minus 4I take right side. Sign maybe changes. A inverse equal to minus 4I becomes plus 4I. A will becomes minus A. 4I what will get? I matrix we know only 1 0 0 1. 4 multiply means 4 0 0 4. Minus A matrix. What is A matrix? 2 3 1 2. Both matrix subtract, we get exactly A inverse. We have 4 minus 2 what? 2. 0 minus 3. It is minus 3. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 4 minus 2 it is 2. This is the required A inverse matrix. I will give one more question homework, same model based on this concept. Same model question, everyone try. Question number 5, homework. If A equal to 3 1 minus 1 2, must show that A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to null matrix. Hence, find A inverse by using the equation. Like previous model question only, same model, you will try this one. 3 1 minus 1, 3 1 minus 1 2. Show that the equation was A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. How to get A inverse? Just 3 multiply for this. Both sides with A inverse. From that you will get A inverse easily. Now, coming to exercise questions. Exercise of 4.5. Find adjoint of each matrices. First question. Question is given 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. For 2 by 2 matrix, how to find adjoint here? Let assume this is A matrix. 1 2 3 4. How to find for this adjoint A? Interchanging diagonal elements. Interchange. Change the sign for remaining 2 elements. Minus 2 minus 3. It's a simple way to find the adjoint A. Now same question, I do homework. The question 2 3 minus 4 7. I don't write one. Simple example I can over. Try this one homework. Next. Third one. Third question is given clearly like this. Condition what here? 3 by 3 matrix. 1 minus 1 2. 2 3 5 minus 2 0 1. For this we need to find adjoint A. For adjoint A, what are the required values? We need to find cofactors. Now cofactors first. Capital A11. Capital A11 what here? Sign is plus clearly. To get off. Deleted row and column. 3 5 0 1. 3 minus 0, that is clearly 3. Next A12. Sign is minus. To get off. By deleted row and column. 2 5 minus 2 1. So what? Minus of 2 into 1 2 minus 5 into minus 2 minus 10 minus of minus plus 10. Total minus 12. Next, third element A13. Sign is plus into delta of. By deleting its row and column, what remaining elements? 2 3 minus 2 0. First row, third column deleted 2 3 minus 2 0. What? 2 into 0 0 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus of minus plus 6, that is 6. Next A21 sign is minus into that of. By deleting second row, first column. Second row, first column. Remaining elements minus 1 to 0 1. Minus 1 to 0 1. Minus of. Minus 1 into 0. 0 minus 2. Sorry. Here minus 1 into 1. You get minus 1. 0 into 0. Here minus of minus plus 1. Next A22 sign is plus. By deleting second row, second column. Second row, second column delete. 1 2 minus 2 1. 1 2 minus 2 1. What? 1 plus 4, that is 5. Next A23 sign is minus into delta of. Second row, third column delete. Remaining 1 minus 1 minus 2 0. 1 minus 1 minus 2 0. Minus of 1 into 0 0 minus. Minus 2 into minus 1. It's clearly 2. Here minus of minus plus 2 in it. Next we need to find A31. Sign is plus. Better you write like this. Write exact values. Here A31. What is A31? Third row, first column delete. Remaining minus 1 2 3 5. Plus into minus 1 into 5 minus 5 minus 3 2s are 6. It's totally how much? Minus 11. Next, coming to next value, A32. A32 what is sign? Minus. By deleting third row and the second column, remaining 1 2 2 5. Minus of 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 1, total minus 1 will get. The last element A33 plus sign. Delete third row, third column. Third row, third column, delete remaining 1 minus 1 2 3. 1 minus 1 2 3. Plus of 3 plus 2. Reason 1 into 3 3 minus as a formula 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus of minus plus 2. It is 5. Now from this we can write adjoint A matrix. Adjoint A. What is adjoint A? First row cofactors into first column. A11, A12, A13 into first column. A11 is what? 3. A12 is minus 12. A13 is 6. Next A21 1. A22 5. A23 2. Next A31 is minus 11. A32 is minus 1. A33 is 5. This is the way to find adjoint A for the given matrix. While finding adjoint A, cofactors are very important, including sign and their multiplication also.